Good morning, y'all. It's another rainy day here in Washington State. I'm headed out to do some fishing with Jake, Bainbridge Bass Fishing. Sorry about that. And yeah, I'm on the road now. I'm probably like 20 minutes away. How about that for an angle? Sorry. Okay, so headed out to a place called T Lake, T-E-E. It's named T Lake because it's shaped like the letter T. How imaginative. So I'm headed out there to get on some trout, bass, whatever the hell is biting in this weather. And yeah, we'll see you out there, guys. Good morning. We are out on T Lake. I think it's alright if I say the name of this one. The water appears to be down a little bit. It's obviously raining. And we're out here doing our best. Little Bass Pro Shop special. I threw some good hooks on it. It's like $2, dude. Shopping them bargain bins. I know this is gonna pick some shit up off the bottom.
You see all these down lots? Uh-oh. Yeah, I can go over there if you want to float or something.
We'll let her float up and try to finesse it out of here.
I guess we can get it regardless. I was just about to say, I'm trying to run them right along the logs and they're about to show the
Yep, I'm feeling bump, bumpity bump. All right, I think I'm clear of them. Oh yeah, there's some bottom contact, that's for sure.
That's good. Rocky, does it feel like? I can see things.
This is what I'm throwing right now, guys. Medium diving crankbait. Looks like I'm finding some grass in the bottom there. Hell. I got excited for a minute. I'm gonna stop the video right here and go ahead and explain some of the tactics I was using yesterday. So the first thing I started out throwing was a lipless crankbait in a craw pattern. Everybody's seen the old Bill Lewis crankbait. Everybody's seen the old Bill Lewis rattle trap. So I was throwing that, trying to find some grass along the bottom to rip it through. The second thing I was throwing was a Bass Pro Shop special medium diving crankbait. Pretty good looking crankbait. I think I found this in the bargain bin for like $2.89. I had some extra Stinger treble hooks around. Owner Stinger treble hooks. These bad boys right here are about the stickiest treble hooks I've found. Threw some of those on here and you know, got a good quality bait now. But anyways, after I threw the lipless for probably, I don't know, 45 minutes, I switched over to the medium diving crankbait to get down deeper and started finding some grass, but could not find the bass. So that leaves us to where we are right now. It's raining, but it's not raining that hard yet. We're fishing deep, searching for the bass that are holding down there, trying to find the grass, working any kind of rock or structure we can find, something that's going to hold a little more heat. And yeah, let's get back to the video. To another episode of We're Cleaning Up the Lake. This is one of the blade baits I got. Check out the freaking color on that. Oh, I think it's like 3/4 of an ounce. Or maybe it's no, this one's a 1/2 ounce, sorry. What to throw? At this point, it's raining harder than ever. And showing no signs of letting up. The forecast had said that the worst of it was supposed to be around 12:30, and it hit right on schedule. So we kind of looked at each other, said, okay, you know, how much more of this are we going to do? Decided to go ahead and call it, go in, and yeah. Sometimes you just got to know when to call it quits. So Jake turned the boat toward the boat ramp, and we started to head in.
Pretty sure in the summertime that was like pretty much underwater.
Yeah, easily. And just like that, we're home. Well, it was a rainy day out on the water, but it was a good day. It's always good to get out on the boat with Jake. Thanks for taking me out, brother. Appreciate it. We did a little gift exchange. I gave him a little bag of tackle, and he gave me one of his swim baits. Look at this beauty. the river to sea S-Waver. Look at that color. And them hooks. I am so stoked to throw that bait. I've been wanting to get one ever since I saw him throwing his. That one right there. So yeah, that was a total surprise, and thanks, man. I appreciate it. Thanks again for the present and taking me out the boat and teaching me all these new techniques. So I hope you enjoy your tackle that I got you. I know it's gonna go to good use, man. I know it's gonna go to good use. So, well, I'm gonna try to throw this video together. It's not a very exciting one, but you know, you can't win them all. It is the next day. Figured I'd carry this thing on through, make a vlog out of it. Got a few things I gotta do today. It is pissing rain, as you can see, and it's supposed to do so for the next 2 to 3 days, I believe. So that's typical Washington weather for you. But yeah, let's get to doing some stuff. First thing I'm gonna do here is go ahead and put my tackle bag all back together. I haven't even shown you guys that. We can do a quick walkthrough while it's empty, make it easy. Okay, so this bag's made by Plano. It's meant to fit five of these, and then one on top. Got a little bungee cord. That's kind of cool. Where you can strap whatever you need to the top. Open it up. It's got a ton of space in here. I mean, a ton of space, guys. Hard bottom, hard top. It's got a pocket in here that zips up, not waterproof. Found that out yesterday. This bag does not do exceptionally well in the wet. Even though yesterday it was like having it under a flipping hose for 2 hours. All right, let's keep going. In the front, we've got another pocket here. I usually weave some, it's not 550 cord, it's a size below 550, but I usually weave it in these kind of things just to have some cordage on hand. That's all one piece. Some D-rings right here. Do a little carabiner on there. Some pockets. Another clear pocket right there. You got plier holders on each side. You can see that one right there. And then a pocket on each side. And then I went ahead and threw a little, what'd you call it, a sling? Yeah, I actually made this thing. So I threw that on there. That works just like that. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. It's good for boat. It's good for when I'm going on a boat, like fishing with a jig, for example, on the John boat. I can just throw this thing on there and it's got all my tackle in it. Oh. For example, this right here is everything that goes in that bag. I got my baits, pliers, terminal, spinner spoons, soft plastics, more soft plastics, swim baits, trout baits, an extra GoPro cord. This thing right here is badass. I don't know if I've showed you guys this, but it's a power bank. So it'll charge cell phones, GoPros, whatever, multiple times. It's what is it? Water resistant and shock proof. That's pretty cool. Lights up, shows you how much battery you have, and then boom. So yeah, this is a must. I always keep this on me. It'll keep my GoPro charging. It'll charge my phone. I think it'll charge my phone 4 times. And it's got 2 USB ports and then a charging port in here, which I can't get to with one hand. So let's see, a little headlamp action, some reel grease, you know, just kind of a plethora of stuff. But yeah, that all fits into that little bag right here. There's the back. It's got another pocket in the back. Again, I wove some paracord through there just to have some more cordage on hand. Oh. So yeah, I guess that does it for the little tackle bag tour. One thing I like to do, especially after a good day out on the water in the rain, is get all my gear dried out. So that's for yesterday: waders, rain jacket, rods, reels, tackle. All my tackle got soaked yesterday. Like I said, that bag is far from waterproof. Might have to throw some waterproofing spray on it. That's probably what I'm gonna have to do, yeah. Because it's pretty useless right now in keeping the water out, to be completely honest. Let's see, reels. I like to dry out my reels, take them off the rods, take the bails off of, not the bail, come on now, the spools off of them, let everything dry out overnight, put it all back together in the morning. It's just a habit I've gotten into. So what I think I need to do is go through my tackle bag, this new one, and cut the fat, so to say. I think I've got too much crap in here, stuff that I'm not going to be throwing this time of year. So I'm going to go through and get rid of what I think I'm not going to use. So let's check this out. I just sort of roughly went through the junk I got in here. Soft plastics. Am I really going to be using a 7-inch ribbon tailworm this time of year? No. Am I going to be using swim baits? Yes. Slim shakes? Eh. Dragon drops? Eh. I've got these. I think I prefer these over the dragon drops, to be honest. Let's see, a couple packs of lunker logs. Those make the cut. Fishing license definitely makes the cut. Let's see, this says jigs, but it's actually spinners and spoons. Got a terminal. Some underspins right here. A little shaky head action. Okay, these don't need to be in here. Not yet. This, for this time of year, Most definitely. Yes. Let's see, we got some jerk baits, underspin, bucktail chatterbait, some medium divers, some jigs, some traps, some blade baits, and another square bill. I think everything in here makes a cut. So we got some trout magnets. Oh yeah, most definitely. This is what I've been using for trout, guys. Let me get the other package. And I have been killing them on this thing. 32nd of an ounce. They love it. The power bank I just told you about, I think this is like 35 bucks at Walmart or something. Super cheap. Real grease. You know what I'm saying. Some extra cards. So that's quite a bit of fat we cut right there. Looks good to me. Alright, well I'm gonna go ahead and put this bag back together and get back with you.